The syllabus is exhaustive, requires time to prepare, requires time to understand. If somebody tells you that he can prepare you for this exam in 2 months or 3 months time, maybe he's fooling you. Please don't get involved into that. Minimum time required for preparation for this, that depends upon how much time you are investing. If you invest minimum 3 hours per day, then it will take you almost 10 months to prepare in such a way so that you can pass. Right? If you have more time, if you do this, certainly you can prepare it in 5 months. But nothing less than that. Somebody tells you that if he can devote you 10 hours a day or 12 hours a day, he is fooling you. I've been into coaching industry for last 3 decades. And most of the time I've taught the professionals only. So I know how much time maximum you can devote for the study. Even if you are absolutely free, you are not doing anything, still you cannot work for more than 6 hours a day. Okay. So time is required. My coaching program is live class. This is through Zoom. Monday to Friday. Timing is 8:30 to 10 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. Saturday generally no class. This is, I put asterisk mark that if the need is, certainly lecture can be conducted on Saturday also. Sunday we have test. Every Sunday, same time, 8:30 to 10 p.m. there is a test. And now the best thing is there is daily MCQ practice. Test comes later. First, we make you go through the practice. And in this practice, in my entire course, I will give you roughly 7,500 MCQs. This is minimum number. Certain number will actually exceed. It may be 10,000. That much MCQs will practice. How many MCQs are going to be there in the exam? 150. I'm putting you 100 times of that in the practice. Okay. So coaching is exhaustive. Covers everything thoroughly. Lectures are interactive. You have the opportunity to ask any number of questions in the lecture itself. And if after that you have a doubt, you can certainly give me a call, drop a message, email, etc. We'll respond to you. Okay. Now this is about the class. Then comes video recording. Every class video is given to you. So if you happen to miss the class, don't worry. Video is uploaded within 1 hour after the completion of the class. You can go through the video. Later on also you want to see the video, it is available to you. You can check that. Okay. Every video, every class can be seen up to 4 or 5 times. That much time is given for every video. How many times you log in? That's not the question. Okay. So suppose one video is for 1 hour. Okay. And you have closed that video within 20 minutes. It is counted 20 minutes only. Okay. Next time 5 minutes, next time 5 minutes, next time 5 minutes. Keep on logging in 20 times. Okay. The aggregate will be counted as 1 hour. And that way, I have given you 5 hours for 1 hour video. So every video can be seen n number of times, and you will never have time to watch 5 times. Okay. Videos are available to you. Then comes a material. Material will be provided by us to you in the soft copy. Everything will be given by us. You don't have to buy anything from the market. Then there are doubts. Then if you have any questions, any doubt, number one, ask in the class. If you hesitate or you don't have question at that point of time, later on if the question arises, drop me a message or give me a call. We will handle everything. This is the information about the class. Now, first batch we started on 3rd April. That was started on 3rd April. Now that batch is full, jam-packed. Starting the second batch, this is from 15th May. And my batches get filled up very fast. So don't wait. Call on any of these numbers given, right? And get the complete information. Now this batch will continue up to end of Feb 26. Okay. And in this batch, from 15th May up to 15th September, I'm doing only allied laws. All important allied laws are going to be covered up. Then, remaining time, you can say 16/9 onwards, this is 25, up to 28th February 26, we are going to do customs. Customs Act, Custom Tariff Act, Foreign Trade Policy, that will be covered up in this duration. Okay, now as soon as the syllabus is completed, there is going to be everyday test. Everyday test. Okay, and once we complete the allied laws, only on allied laws we are going to have separate tests. So number of tests that I'll put you through before the exam is not less than 75. So many tests we are going to do, so much of practice we are going to do. So it will be an exhaustive coverage of the syllabus. And once you do according to my requirements are simple. Your attendance in the class shall not be less than 80%. And attempt at least 80% of the test. If you fulfill these two requirements, the chances of passing the exam and getting the license are very high. If you fulfill the third requirement, I can give you a guarantee that you get the license. Third requirement is scoring not less than 80% in every test. 80% is the formula. 80% attendance in the class, 80% of the homework, 80% of the test, and 80% of the score in every test. Then take a commitment from you that you are going to get the license without wasting even a single attempt. So I hope I have given you complete information as far as your career as a customs broker is concerned. So if you are looking for the career or you are going to choose a career, this is the best career opportunity. Even if you're already into the business of custom, either logistics or import export or some other thing, then this is one of the best things for you to know. If you are a practicing lawyer, then again, this is important for you to get into this so that a lot of extra business comes to you. How the business is generated, call me. I'll tell you how the new business is generated through this license if you're already. So if you're a chartered accountant or a company secretary or a lawyer, that is LLM. Don't miss this opportunity. If you're completing your MBA, if you have completed your half of the MBA, maybe 1 year is complete and the 1 year is remaining, join now so that next year When 26 you complete the exam, 27 you can appear for this exam. Join coaching now so that you have 1 extra year of preparation. Okay, so earlier the better. More and more opportunities and more to learn. If you prepare for 2 years, again a kind of guarantee I can give you that the first attempt is your last attempt, provided you prepare well. So don't wait till completion of MBA or till completion of CA or CS. If you're eligible, please get into this, start preparing or get into the coaching program at the earliest possible. Any doubt, please do not hesitate to call on any of these numbers. Namaskaram.